In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote your store using the built-in tools Sellfy provides. Let's get started. First, let's talk about building your email list. One great strategy to collect email addresses and build an audience is to offer a freebie, like a free digital download or sample. To create a freebie, you'll go to Products, Add New Product, and select Freebie. Once your freebie is live, share the link with your audience on social media, an existing website, or wherever your potential customers may be. Next, use Sellfy's built-in email marketing tool to send newsletters or announcements. You can send product updates, sales info, or exclusive offers. To start, you'll click Create Campaign. Choose a campaign type. Write your subject line. Add your email body. And click Next to select recipients. Then you can send or schedule your campaign. Finally, you can grow your business with an affiliate program. This lets you reward fans, influencers, or partners who help promote your store. Go to Settings to enable the affiliate system, set your commission rate, and get the sign-up link to share with potential affiliates. And that's it. Those are 3 effective ways to promote your store.